为了保护地球环境，格力不断创造更环保的产品，让天空更蓝，大地更绿。格力掌握核心科技。
Gree Electric Appliances Incorporation of Zhuhai was founded in 1991. It is the world's largest specialized air conditioner enterprise, which has integrated R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and service. In 2012, Gree became the first listed electric appliances enterprise in China, with sales revenue over $16 billion. In 2014, sales revenue exceeded $22.9 billion. In May 2015, Gree entered into the world's top 500 public companies, ranking number 385 in Forbes Global 2000 and number 1 in household appliances industry section. Gree is the only manufacturer in Chinese air conditioner industry that is honored as world brand. Gree products are sold widely in more than 200 countries and regions, while Gree own brand air conditioners are sold in over 160 countries and regions. Today, Gree's annual production capacity of REC and CEC are more than 16 million sets and 5.5 million sets respectively. Since 2005, Gree has topped number 1 in production and sales volume for 10 consecutive years, with over 300 million users all across the world. Gree is committed to providing global users with high-tech and high-quality products. Nowadays, Gree has 9 production bases around the world. 7 are located in China, another 2 in Brazil and Pakistan. With more than 70,000 employees, including 8,000 engineers, 570 laboratories, and 2 national R&D centers. Gree REC and CEC products are classified into 20 categories, 400 series, and over 12,700 models, which satisfy demands for all market segments.
我们不仅仅是创造了几款新的产品，而是培养了一批追求完美的格力人。我们每一个格力人现在清醒地意识到，我们要打造完美的产品来改变人类的生活。
With more than 15,600 technology patents, including 5,000 invention patents, Gree has achieved a series of world-leading products that have shaped the development of industry, such as the 1 Hz inverter air conditioner, R290 eco-friendly air conditioners, self-developed all-DC inverter VRF units, permanent magnet synchronous inverter centrifugal chiller, 2-stage inverter compressor, PV direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller, magnetic suspension inverter centrifugal chiller, and so on. Gree has won the bidding for many international projects, including 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, 2010 FIFA World Cup in South Africa, 2010 Asian Games in Guangzhou, and 2014 Winter Olympic Games in Sochi, Russia, which have significantly improved green brand awareness throughout the world, leading the revolution from made in China to created in China. Action makes future and innovation makes achievement. Looking forward, Gree will firmly persist in the business philosophy of passion, innovation, and realization. We aim to build a century-standing air conditioner enterprise to create a better life for human, for the clearer sky and a greener earth. Gree, the master of core technology.